Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to our special video where we learn a beautiful dua for our parents. Do you love your parents? Of course you do. So let's learn how to make a special prayer just for them. Our parents take care of us, feed us and love us so much. They work hard every day to make sure we are happy and safe. We should thank Allah for giving us such wonderful parents. Today we are going to learn a special dua that we can say to ask Allah to bless our parents. The dua goes like this. Rabbirhamhuma kama rabbayani saghira. My Lord, have mercy upon them as they brought me up when I was small. This dua means we are asking Allah to be kind and merciful to our parents, just like they were kind and loving when we were little. It's a beautiful way to show our love. Remember friends, you can say this dua every day in the morning before going to bed or whenever you think of your parents. Let's make dua for them as much as we can. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you in next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.